1st of November 2025, The Hindu important articles. First 4 pages important नहीं हैं. Page number 5 we have 4 important articles. The first one is talking about the pilgrim sites of Sikh in Pakistan. यहाँ इंडिया यूएस डिफेंस एग्रीमेंट्स के बारे में चर्चा है. देन वी हैव आशा वर्कर्स एंड देन बॉटम आर्टिकल इज टॉकिंग अबाउट भारतीय साक्ष्य अधिनियम. पेज नंबर 2 कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है. पेज नंबर 3 वी हैव अ मेंशन ऑफ आशा वर्कर. Page number 4 we have 2 important mentions. The first one is talking about SIR and this one is also talking about SIR, Special Intensive Revision, an initiative undertaken by Election Commission. Then page number 5 we have 2 important mentions. First one is Ayurvedic medicine and here defection laws under Schedule 10 which was introduced under 52nd Constitutional Amendment Act. I think it was in the year 1985. Moving on to page number 6, we have 3 important mentions. Pehla, the main article, this one is talking about what initiatives can be taken in order to reform the United Nations. Then we have another article talking about nuclear disarmament, nuclear proliferation and measures that has been taken by the countries in the past. फिर यहाँ पे ये वाला आर्टिकल वैसे तो इम्पॉर्टेंट नहीं है but this data is important for us. Moving on to page number 7, there is nothing important. Page number 8, we have 4 important mentions. Again, 2 of them are repetitions on page number 1, India US defense and Sikh pilgrim sites. Then Nehru's mistakes on Kashmir. This gives us a chance to look into the history of Kashmir. Moving on to the next article, this one is talking about India's neighborhood countries. यहाँ पे इंडिया के नेबरहुड में जितने भी कंट्रीज़ हैं वहाँ पे एक के बाद एक इंस्टेबिलिटी देखने को मिलती है गवर्नेंस को लेकर के. मूविंग ऑन टू पेज नंबर 9, नथिंग इंपॉर्टेंट. पेज 10 वी हैव 4 इंपॉर्टेंट मेंशंस. फर्स्ट वन इज सेंसस. देन यू हैव अ न्यूज़ एसोसिएटेड विद स्टैम्पीड, हमने इसको बार बार देखा है. Then you have Guinness World Records, but this one is associated with some of the initiatives undertaken by the government. जैसे स्वस्थ नारी सशक्त परिवार अभियान SNSPA, इसको एक बार देखना है हमें. Moving on, next article is also important, associated with Tribal Upliftment Initiative. Now this one is undertaken by Indian Railways. इन्होंने कहा कि हम पेट्रनाइज करेंगे किनको, आभार ऑनलाइन स्टोर को, which are selling tribal goods. Moving on to page number 11, we have 3 important mentions. First one is FPI, then fiscal deficit stands at 36.5% of full year goal. And then here we have a mention of crude contamination. Now this contamination is actually chloride contamination. तो इसको भी करना है. Page number 12 we have 6 important mentions, out of which 3 are map work. 4 are map work actually: Palestine, Gaza, Sudan and Venezuela. Now next one is Tanzania. After this there are 2 important work. One is South China Sea issue and here what is APEC. After this I don't think there is anything important remaining in the paper. Have a good day.